1969 Chevrolet Nova here at Unique, especially in classics. Two-door sedan or two-door post, powered by a 350 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front headlight surrounds, chrome bumper, grille. See the SS emblem there, not representing this as a true SS. I would say Tribute. Also nicely equipped underneath the hood with that 350 power steering, power brakes. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see that engine bay, check out the interior, undersides, the whole car, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on the Krager SS chrome mag wheels. I call this a medium blue metallic with painted stripes on it. Those stripes also highlight the black vinyl interior. There's your 4-speed on the floor, some aftermarket gauges. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run here in just a bit. Paint shows well on it. Are you going to be able to find imperfections here and there? Yes, but this is one of those cars. Get in, drive it, have some fun. Go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. This one will turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. Kind of give you an example on that deck stripe. I mean, you might have a little small chip here or there, been touched up. Now also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, those still pictures can be seen. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Just take a look up and down the driver's side. Did notice one little spot been touched up and kind of just a little bit of a dinger there. All right, let's take a little closer look at the interior here. So black vinyl buckets, black door panels, carpeting, a little bit of a crack there, but not bad on the vinyl. A couple little just areas that show some wear. But overall, very usable condition. Top of the dash looks good. All right, let's go ahead, fire this up. Starts easily. Aftermarket JVC radio, that does work. There's some aftermarket speakers in here, and the radio is in working order.
Superior craftsmanship.
And nice sounding at that. Aftermarket tack, also working order. And there is your aftermarket gauge cluster, amp meter, oil pressure, and temp gauge. All right. We also have a nice dressed up engine bay in this one. We're going to take a look at here in a second. First of all, let's slip around to the rear so you can hear this run. FYI, I did not have the wipers working on this one. Nice sounding V8 underneath the hood, 350, putting on a little rumble. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's pause this a second, and let's go ahead and check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Underside of the hood. Looks good. Here we go. So Edelbrock intake as well as 4-barrel carb. You see we have some dressed up air cleaner cover and valve covers. Your power steering and power brakes. Now as far as service work that was done on this recently, it does have a newer aluminum radiator. You can see the chrome shroud, as well as new battery, fuel pump, and rear axle seals were also done. See headers, heater core still hooked up. HEI ignition, nice smooth running engine. There you go, 1969 Chevrolet Nova two-door post. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.